Eggs successively roll on egg belts. Row ending. Egg collection machines. Eggs are picked up by workers. We own strong production strength, not only in China branch, but also in branches of Ethiopia, Tanzania, and Nigeria. Our engineers shot the video in 2020. The poultry farm was completed in 2017. Headquarter and branches are studying with each other, keeping continuous communication with Europe. Our design and quality of poultry farm equipment and chicken poultry cage based on Euro standard. We offer plan of modern poultry farm turnkey, project, delivery, installation, and so on. Contact us now for quotation.